Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're diving into remote.co, a valuable resource for anyone interested in remote work. Whether you're a seasoned digital nomad or just starting to explore the possibilities of working from home, remote.co offers a wealth of information to help you navigate this exciting world. The website serves as a central hub for remote job listings, covering a wide range of industries and roles. From software development and customer service to marketing and writing, you're likely to find opportunities that align with your skills and interests. Beyond job postings, remote.co also provides insightful articles, guides, and resources designed to empower remote workers. These resources cover topics such as finding remote work, negotiating salaries, managing a remote team, and maintaining work-life balance while working from anywhere. The platform offers a comprehensive approach to remote work, equipping individuals with the knowledge and tools they need to succeed in this increasingly popular work style. One of the key advantages of remote.co is its focus on curated job listings. They prioritize quality over quantity, ensuring that the opportunities featured are legitimate and with reputable companies actively seeking remote talent. This saves job seekers valuable time and effort by filtering out scams or less desirable positions. Furthermore, remote.company's blog is a treasure trove of practical advice and tips for remote workers at all stages of their careers. From insightful interviews with remote work experts to articles addressing common challenges and offering solutions, the blog provides valuable support and guidance for anyone embracing the remote lifestyle. So, whether you're a seasoned remote worker looking for a new opportunity or just beginning your journey into the world of remote work, exploring remote.co is a worthwhile endeavor. It provides a comprehensive platform for discovering job opportunities, learning from experienced professionals, and staying up to date with the latest trends in the remote work landscape.